So I'm asking you to give me more than just a minute today to find out how to work certain parts of the body. All right, today we're focusing on arms. And when it comes to your arms, you've got to remember that when you're doing Pilates, okay, doing this, and you see people and they're doing these kind of weight exercises, and the arms are doing this, there's no tension in the arms at all. And the same thing goes for the legs. So I'm always saying to people, please stretch your hands out. The moment you stretch your hands out, you start working into the muscles in your forearms. From there, it works into the biceps and triceps. From there, into the shoulders. So every time you exhale, feel the muscles engaging, and eventually you'll feel that it all engages in your core. So why do only half an exercise? Do a big stretch and you're getting double the amount of work done because you're engaging into your core. And you're making your arms and legs work properly. So please, please, please remember how to do that. So getting arms working, first of all, we want to work into biceps, but we'll take the wrists first. So what you want to do is tucking your elbows in nice and tight, okay? Wrist curls, first of all. So we're going to do it from this position, just curling the wrists, the fingertips back towards you. So your palms are facing up, and you're curling it in towards you. So you're only working into the wrists. There's no work in the biceps. You're taking it into your bicep curls. You want to have your arms like this and then curling in. Okay, not out like this. You want to keep them nice and tense. Keep it tucked in. And don't just sit there doing this. Okay, that's not really doing very much at all. You want to focus on curling it up and inhale, lowering it down. Exhale, curling it up. Inhale, lower. Now you can do this without weights, actually. You'll still get the same benefit as long as you focus on engaging your biceps when you do it. Okay, engage and release. You usually do about 20 of those, and then you take your arms up so that your elbows are in line with the shoulders. And you're going to take it out there and curling it in. It's just a variation on your bicep curl, working into the shoulders and bringing it up and forward and back. Easy. 3 little exercises working into your forearms and into the bicep. Just take your time. It's not a race. It's not like you see so many people doing weight work going. Take it slowly, curl it in, feel the muscles working, feel it connecting in your core, and then release. Exhale and release. And keep going for a number of them until you get tired usually, and release. And soon you will have some beautifully toned arms to show off on the beach in summer.